Hi guys, welcome to my channel. This is my journey to me vlogs about weight loss. So today I am at 57.2 kg. I'm down 300 grams from yesterday. Elevator selfie for you. And once I got to the office, I just had to have my black coffee. Lunch was rice and sinigang na hipon and gulay. And for my dessert, I had coffee again, but this one's latte. And when I got home, I had this pork jerky and some cucumbers. And on that direction is going to the grocery store, and I'm intentionally walking a little bit farther this time because I want to get my steps in. So if you want to lose weight, one hack is to be intentional with everything that you do, whether it's eating, walking, and walking gives us mental clarity so we can think of more things to do so that we don't get bored and eat. But now, speaking of eating, I'm here at a cafe and I will eat my dinner here. This might be a surprise for you, but my dinner is fried chicken and fries. But another hack is not to deprive yourself of the foods that you really love to eat, like this fries. This fries, I'm just having a little bit of it. I'm not eating the whole bunch. And I'm taking out the skin of the chicken, even if I love the skin of the chicken, especially if it's this crispy and it's really, really hot. It's piping hot. I'm actually saving the skin for later after the meal because right now all I really want to eat is that chicken skin. But I'm going to eat the chicken first and see later on after the meal if I really want to eat the chicken skin. If I want to eat it, then it's there for me to eat. But most of the time, I don't need to eat it anymore because I'm already full and it's mindful eating, intuitively eating. It's a great thing to have a good relationship with food. You know that you can eat everything you want, but all in moderation. The key is always in moderation and swapping things out. Okay, so you want to eat fried food? Fine, but you leave out the skin. But you also eat just a couple of fries, not the whole thing. So it's just mindful eating and swapping that makes your diet more enjoyable. It's not deprivation. It's not that you cannot eat any food that is oily or that is fried. It's just enjoying the little things in life in moderation, as always. That's my leftover. That's the chicken skin that I really wanted to eat a while ago, but I'm giving it away. Bye!